YouTube, never fear. Logan Jay-Z are back with another Sneakerhead Saturday review. Today I got a pickup that I thought I got at first and didn't receive no confirmation. Checked midweek, nothing, no shipping, nothing. I was confused. Told them, didn't get them. Yesterday, Friday, get an email saying they arrived. So here they are. Picked this up last week. You know what came out last week. You know what's in this box. This is a pickup from Footlocker. I don't remember the last time I picked up something from Footlocker. Here they are. Ooh. You got your Air Jordan 13 box. I'll show you really quick. Tag. This pair is not for me. And you got white, lucky, green, and black. Style code DB6537113. Retail $190. There is no receipt in here. They just put the sneakers in here. As far as stamps, there is no stamps up here. Nothing. There's nothing. Just got the tissue paper, and ooh, this green is bright. Okay. Wow. Thing is popping. Just trying to make sure it ain't nothing. Man. These very nice in hand. I like them. But I cop for personal, yeah, if I had extra money, but not happening. So do a quick review. Get you an up close look. Let's get this here. So starting out with the outsole, you got your paw pattern going there. Got black outlining. Hits a white for the traction portion, and a little bit of green, lucky green, carbon fiber plate. It's all black with little white dots, and you got your green circle with a black Jumpman coming at you. A little bit more of that green down here. Going along the midsole right here, you got the black wrapping around the toe cap. More of that black wraps around the whole midsole. Above that, you have this green, lucky green suede going around that the 13s are known for, going into the midsole. And then above that, you have it going above to the upper, right around up to the collar, around the holographic Jumpman 23. Towards the lateral right here, and then you got your tumble leather in white here, and the material is not very soft, is what I'm saying here on the toe cap. On the panels here, this is more softer, and this is tumble leather as well. It does have a better feel to it if you're worrying about that. The portion, the white leather, tumble leather portion with the perforated holes, doesn't feel as nice as the sides. Again, I don't know, it's just got that tumbled look to it, as well as the top of the tongue. Just the side panel feels very nice. This feels very hard and whatnot. Going along the whole trim of the tumble leather here, wraps around towards the eye stays. That's all 3M reflective there. You got your whiskers here going throughout the upper. Little circles represent the whiskers and whatnot. White laces. You got your black and green Jordan there, and the back of this little piece has 13 on there. Right there. At the top of the tongue, you have green Jumpman. The sock liner is black. It's all black. And the insole is lucky green. Could show you that really quick. Get you a better look in there. It's lucky green and a black Jumpman. There you go. Production date. It's at the back of the tongue right here, and it's 12/18/19 to 4/22/20. Man, these took a long time to make. Wow, 4 months. Wow. Took 5 months to get here. So yeah, they took a long time to make them, and it took a long time to get into the people's hands for whatever reason. And yeah, that's the sneaker really quick. Again, the sneaker's not mine. I really like the sneaker. I like how they came out. That green is popping, and I like especially the black sock liner. That's one thing that I don't like about the Chicago 13s. It's this has white, and then this all inside gets white. Dirty because of the white. I'd rather prefer black sock liner. It just collects a lot of dirt and stuff. You can tell, and you can't get that off. And black, you can't tell, you can't see it. So I'd rather not see it. You know, it doesn't matter how high you got the socks or whatever. You still, that thing, it just collects dirt. So, but yeah, unless it's a different material. But more than likely, I still don't want it anyway. I'd rather prefer a black sock liner. That's about it with that Chicago 13. I've owned it, but which one would I prefer? I prefer this one. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like how that green pops, and you don't really see that many green sneakers that are Jordans, and this one, they did their thing. Nice, clean, simple. Yeah. And for anybody that wanted the Ray Allens, this is like right there, you know. So there you go. It's a little consolation prize for people that waited and stuff. Just J's, man. All right, YouTube. It's your boy Logan J. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.